Vsepr theory or valence shell electron pair repulsion theory. We know that the outermost shell of the atom where electron is present, that is called the valence shell, and it is the redistribution of valence shell electronic configuration. The atoms do share to form covalent bond, and we are discussing the shape of covalent molecules over here by the utilization of valence shell electron pairs. So let's see what are the assumptions of this valence shell electron pair theory. The first one is the valence shell of any covalently bonded atom possess two types of electron pairs. One is bond pair, another is lone pair. As you know all that bond pair, if we consider A and B, and these are the nuclei of A and B, this is the shared pair. This B could have some other sole electrons, and A could also have some other sole electrons like this. Now here, what is the point of difference? This bond pair and the lone pair. The bond pair or shared pair of electrons are the common property of both A and B. Thereby, this altogether electrons are being attracted by the nucleus of A as well as the nucleus of B. That means the bond pair is under the attraction of both nuclei, while lone pair is the sole property of either A or B. So lone pair is under the influence of a single nucleus. So since attraction is greater, it's obvious that repulsion would be less or stability would also be more. So what we can observe that bond pairs are more stable than lone pairs. Than the lone pair of electrons. Now we need to clarify this valence shell electron pairs. Two types of electron pairs are there, and stability is also being discussed. The third point is which kind of repulsion actually present. All are electrons, whether it is bond pair or lone pair, so it is expected that there will have some repulsion among them. So let's see what is that repulsion. The order of repulsion among the valence shell electron pairs B. Now we could have three types of repulsions. This is the methane molecule. all the 4 carbon hydrogen bonds are there. That means all 4 are bond pairs. So here we have only one kind of electron pair, that is the bond pair. If we now consider ammonia, NH3, this is nitrogen. We have 3 hydrogen, NH, NH, NH bond, and this is the lone pair on nitrogen. Thereby, in ammonia, this nitrogen has 2 types of valence shell repulsion, electron pair repulsion. One is lone pair bond pair repulsion. This could be this lone pair, this bond pair repulsion, lone pair, this bond pair repulsion, or lone pair, this bond pair repulsion. Anyway, lone pair and any of the bond pair repulsion, all are same. Another will be this bond pair repulsion, right? In case of water, we have this oxygen, this is hydrogen, this is hydrogen. This is one lone pair, this is another lone pair. It's a tetrahedral molecule. This will be one lone pair, this will be another lone pair. So in this case of this oxygen, we have 3 types of repulsion. Lone pair repulsion, lone pair bond pair repulsion, and bond pair repulsion. It is evident that the order of repulsion will be lone pair repulsion is maximum, followed by lone pair bond pair repulsion, and then the bond pair repulsion. This is how that valence shell electron pair repulsion is being observed. So now in case the lone pair is more repulsive or experiences more repulsion, so it's obvious that lone pairs would try to stay farthest apart from each other, and thereby they would try to squeeze or they would try to compact the bond pairs. So thereby what happens that the presence of lone pairs distorts the geometry of the molecule. Presence of lone pairs distorts the geometry of the molecule. How it distorts? One way is by changing the bond angle. It will try to alter the bond angle by showing its greatest repulsion, and secondly, it is itself not involved in determining the shape because it is not present, only non-directional. So it is not deciding the shape of the molecule. It is not involved in the shape of the molecule. Thereby, we will see if lone pairs are present, then how the valence shell of the atom and hence the entire geometry of the molecule is being affected.